Harriet Smiley from Cloud App. We have published our next post in the series on design thinking. This post is about the define stage, which is all about identifying your user's core challenge. In this post, we'll go over a summary of the design thinking process as a refresher from previous posts, and that is about basically a solution-based approach that will focus on what your user needs while you're designing. After that, we'll go over basically the process from analyzing data to synthesizing it and putting it all together. We'll go over how to understand the data to best design, and then we'll go over how to define a problem statement, and we'll go over an example as well, so that you can get an idea of design thinking in action. And then we will lastly talk about what to expect after the design thinking define stage, and there will be a future post on that next stage. So hopefully this helps you in your understanding of design thinking, especially in the define stage.